Hi, I'm Clíodhna Ní Aodáin from the Celtic Cello. As well as being a cellist, I also conduct the Orchestra Divertimento Bern, and we're rehearsing online at the moment and finding that Celtic music works really well in this online world. And I thought it would be really fun to share what we're doing with a wider string audience. So I'd like to invite you to Celtic Strings, a free online workshop on Sunday the 24th of May at 7 p.m. Bern, that's 6 p.m. Dublin and 1 p.m. New York. As well as learning Mountain Dew and Carrickfergus, I will also teach you how to improvise around these pieces to create your own original music in the Celtic style. You'll also receive sheet music for these two pieces when you register at thecelticcello.com. I have the sheet music in treble, alto and bass clef, so if you play the viola, I've got you covered. I look forward to meeting you, and if you know any string players, please send them my way.